Mashindano ya kimataifa ya Safari Sevens mwaka huu 2025 yanatarajiwa kuanza jijini Nairobi wiki ijayo, yakileta pamoja burudani, michezo na uzoefu wa kipekee kwa mashabiki. Shirikisho la raga la Kenya na ushirikiano wa Tusker, bia maarufu ya kimataifa, yamethibitisha ushirikiano wa timu 20 zikiwemo 12 za wanaume na 8 za wanawake.
The format of play for this year's Safari Sevens is we intend to have 20 teams, 12 men teams and 8 women teams. The 12 men teams will be in 3 pools of 4, and the 8 women teams will be in 2 pools of 4 teams. Our games kick off on Friday in the afternoon. Round 2 and round 3 will be played on Saturday for all teams, and then we go into the knockout and finals on Sunday.
Miongoni mwa zilizothibitishwa ni Shujaa, UK7 Select Shogun, Lioness Uganda, Ubelgiji na Hispania.
We're seeing a lot more stronger talent budding and on the pitch, and it's exciting to see the leaps and strides taken not only by the local teams but also by the Kenya Rugby Union to support the teams, to grow the sport, and also with brands like Tusker coming in to support the sport, to elevate and deliver an exciting experience for the consumers. Our sponsorship will be to the tune of 22 million Kenya shillings. 12 million will go in cash direct to KRU to support them. There's a lot of work that goes behind preparing for the tournaments, getting the field and the teams ready, and the supporting staff to ensure that they deliver and the whole experience is delivered with utmost professionalism. The other 10 million will be delivered in kind. One thing we do best as Tusker is delivering unforgettable and memorable consumer experiences, which we will do at the Tusker Village.
We've been training for the Safari Sevens since like 6 weeks ago. We had Tunisia who came, we had a training camp with them. And so we have 2 teams also. We have the Lionesses and the Cubs. Cubs are the new players who were selected during the 7th circuit. And definitely you'll see they have a lot of fire.
Kwa mara nyingine, mashabiki watafurahia pia Tusker Village Experience itakayoweka burudani na muziki pembeni mwa mchezo. Aidha, kutakuwa na mechi za Veterans na Edgewood kabla ya mashindano makuu. Mashindano haya yamekuwa sehemu ya historia ya michezo nchini tangu miaka 90. Sasa yanatarajiwa kuvutia maelfu ya mashabiki na kutoa jukwaa la kukuza vipaji vipya vya raga barani na duniani. Nikiripotia Ron TV, mimi ni John Mutinda.
Audio Jungle.